What's good, everybody? Ray Kicks here, back with another video, and today's video I'm gonna be discussing my gaming PC build for 2020. So basically, this is my first time ever building a PC. I never even thought I was gonna have a gaming PC. I thought it was too damn complicated. I still think it's complicated, but I asked a close friend, EJ. The link to his channel will be below. He helped me with everything. Like this is like rocket science for me, bro. So he basically gave me a list of stuff. He asked me questions like, do you want it to look nice? How do you want it to run? Like, I want it to run, for my build, I got it to run for streaming and gaming. So it streams well and it's gonna game well. So he gave me the list of parts to get. And basically I just bought everything that he gave me on the list. Everything on the list that he sent me, I got it. So I'm gonna build it up. I'm gonna show you guys the list. I'm gonna tell you why I got these parts and what these parts do, and etc. So just stay with me in this video, and later on down in the channel, like, I'm gonna give a review of how it's working and like the pros and cons of it, and just basically everything like that. Without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so the first part we got here is the AMD Ryzen 7 37X processor. I chose this part because it's one of the strongest, and I heard Ryzen or like AMD, whatever, it's like one of the strongest brands, one of the best brands. It's trusted. A lot of people use it for their builds. I chose this one obviously because it's stronger. It's a strong CPU. This is my CPU of choice. You can get an expensive one, a cheaper one if you want, but I recommend get this one. It's like right in between. It's not too expensive. Like, my build is not too expensive, but it's not too cheap at all either. It'll do for first timers like me. Like, if you're just starting to build something, definitely go with this one. All right, the next part I got on my list is my motherboard of choice. This is an MSI B450 Tomahawk Max. This is what the box looks like. It gives you an idea of what the motherboard looks like on the back. There it is. All the information you need. Price for it is $125. You can probably find one cheaper. And this is, by the way, this is the prices for like without tax and stuff. Like, this I bought online, so tax and shipping, that's separate. But I ended up going with this one because, like, again, my friend EJ, he said it was very strong, it's very good, and it's just recommended if you want to build a PC that's not too expensive but also not too cheap, just like right there in between. So I ended up going with this. All right, next part on my list is the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro. Here it is. Basically, this is the memory unit I went with. Got this one because of, one, it's good, but it also looks good as well. Like I said, I also want to make the PC look good. So basically what this is, I'm guessing this is like the memory, like I said. Yeah, but it comes with two of them. I paid $75 for them. You can get them on Amazon. Amazon got a lot of these, they didn't run out. Most of the parts sold out on Amazon, so I went to Best Buy. Yeah, Best Buy and Amazon for all my parts. So some parts you can be able to pick up from Best Buy. A lot of parts is selling out because everybody's trying to build a PC. So, but you can pick this one up for Amazon. I got Prime, so it came in 2 days. So that's all I had to wait. But yeah, I got it because it looks nice. This is gonna be one of the nice looking parts for my PC. It lights up, as you can see. See the lights up there. All right, next part that I went with is the Crucial P1. This is my solid state drive that I went with. I got a 1000 gigabyte one. You can go lower if you want to. You can get 500 gigs. It don't really matter. But I went with the terabyte because I'm gonna as a YouTuber, I'm gonna have a lot of stuff I need to download, edit stuff. So I ended up getting a terabyte. So you can go lower if you want to, but I went with the terabyte. Cost me $110. So you can always go lower. And I also got this piece on Amazon as well. Amazon Prime shipping. It's 2 days, so I got it in like a day or two. So, all right, next is my graphics card that I went with. Got the GeForce RTX 2060 Super. This cost me $400. This is probably, your graphics card is always going to be one of your most expensive parts next to your CPU. Those two are like the main parts. You get the graphics running and all that good stuff. I went with this one. It was like in between. Like all my parts are like in between parts or above. I don't get nothing lower. You could go lower. I heard later this year, like with the PS5 and the new Xbox, I heard that there is going to be a new graphics card. It's going to be probably, I think they said it was going to be around the same price as the PS5, and I don't even know how much the PS5 is going to be, so just got to wait. But if you want to get the new graphics card, you can. You can stream on 4K with the new one. I know that for a fact. But if you're just wanting to start out, like something simple, but nothing too trash or nothing, you can get the same one as me as well. You can get this on Amazon, or I think they sold out on Amazon, but by the time I upload this video, I don't think they'll be sold out no more. You can go to Best Buy. You can go to your nearby Best Buy and just place an order if they don't have it in store. I think the graphics card they had in store. No. Take that back. Had to order it. But yeah, that's what I went with. You can go with something else if you want to. Again, this is my build. You can do anything you want. All right, next part is the power supply I went with the Corsair CX650M. This is one of the most popular power supplies to get. Cost me $100. Corsair, I'd say if you want to build a PC, you get a Corsair. It don't have to be the same Corsair power supply as mine, but make sure it's a Corsair, because Corsair is one of the best brands for power supplies and stuff. So yeah. Okay, last but not least on my list is my enormous PC tower that I went with the H510i. You can go with anything else as long as it's not too small or too big enough to house all your stuff. That's the important thing about your tower. You can get any tower that can house everything, all your stuff. It don't matter what brand, don't matter what color, don't matter what size. As long as it's, well, it does matter size. As long as it's big enough to house everything you have. That's important. I spent $100 I think on this one. I bought this one also on Amazon, so it came quick. Some parts came quicker than others because, you know, Amazon Prime members get the shit faster. So that was an advantage for me. It helped out a lot. But everything else, everything from Best Buy, it took probably like 5 days. I say 5 days, not really a whole week. So just make sure you order you don't have to order at the same time, but make sure it's around the same time. Like I probably started ordering all my stuff around probably like August, like I'll say August like 28th, 27th, around that time frame. But just make sure like get it all at the same time so you can build it faster. Alright guys, so that's basically the end of the video. The next video you guys will see will be me actually building the PC in my garage. And hopefully I don't mess up this, because I really don't want to buy no other parts. But the Best Buy stuff, I can return it easy. You just take it to Best Buy and get another one. But the Amazon stuff, I don't feel like shipping it like back to Amazon, waiting on the confirmation for me to get my money back and all that stuff. But hopefully I don't mess up. Just take everything slow, simple. And the reason I'm not building my room is because my room is carpet. And from what I heard if you walk on carpet, then like touch your motherboard or like any other like part, it'll shorten it out. And risk of that, I'm just gonna build it in my garage, simple. But yeah, until then, until the build video, guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe if you're new and want to see the progress I made on the PC and stay updated. Follow me on Instagram at RayKicks or Twitter. All my social media will be in the description below. And I'm out, guys. Thanks for watching.
Where the fuck was niggas at when I ain't had no bread on me? Where the fuck was niggas at when I was grieving dead homies? Where the fuck was niggas at when it was time to slide? You ain't know my brother, you can't be no friend of mine. That's on the dead homie.